Do demons exist? Mary Teal Bosworth thinks they do, but that they were made such by circumstances, and wrong is not the point, or harm, you could say. But in another way, you could say that harm or wrong is the point. We can say there are human demons, but typically this type of angel is older than the incarnation of humans. You know, the sort of thing that people talk about as demons. Baal is a type rather than a formal name, but Saru as the name of Baal seems to be about her own version of the story. Demonic is not about whether it is harmful or not. Just like you could say satanic does go into areas of immorality, but it's more about amorality. And you're definitely seeing an implication in what Teal Swan is bringing up. And I probably am going to watch more related to Teal Swan as I continue doing these videos. But she very famously claimed to be part of a satanic cult and such. And, you know, the satanic panic didn't really resurrect itself like she might have wanted.